the Radio Restricted Land Mobile Radio Telephone Operator Seminar as part of the requirement po sa pagkuha ng ID as a radio operator. Again, ako po pala si Engineer Christian Polobligar from the NTC National Capital Region, NCR. So, basic concept, RLM Seminar is a basic radio course being offered by the NTC, the Commission, sa mga lahat po na gumagamit ng radyo. So, kayo po yun, no? As a security personnel, syempre, kayo ay gagamit ng radyo. So, RLM Seminar is a requirement po para makapag-acquire ng RLM Certificate. So, yung RLM Certificate or the Restricted Radio Telephone Operator Certificate po for the land mobile is a written instrument issued by the NTC to a qualified person from her to carry out radio telephone service of a duly licensed land mobile or portable. Kumbaga po, sa paggamit po kasi ng radyo, may batas po